Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Drop that shit, DJ OJ.
I blew it all on her, I get it right back. She put it all on me, I couldn't fight that. She love when I put on it when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get up out that I get sidetracked. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who to call if you're on it. Ride on it, green light me. Your friends really don't dance, but I know that you can. Walking up your plans when you're about to get nasty. Better hold up them glasses. Summer's too hot, not to fuck it up. Is the mood right? Is it wet enough? I got a mood right. It's a level up. Let me hit it up. Just a few times. Summer's too hot, got to double it up. Shot it too far with the bubble butt. We should both slide on the regular. Summer's too hot, it's irregular. Shawty, she discreet, she don't want her business in the street. Be my little secret, baby, be my little freak. All weekend on a weekend, do something different. Got my attention. 8 figures, fucking with a rich nigga. Big picture, more than just a night with ya. Don't switch up, girl, when the lights hit ya. Them diamonds gon' dance. I know you really don't dance, but I know that you know you can. We about to get nasty. Better hold up them glasses. Sorry, too hot, not to fuck it up. Is the mood right? Is it wet enough? I got a mood right. It's a level up, baby. Just a few times. Summer's too hot, got to double up. Shot is too far with the bubble butt. Girl, we should both slide on the regular. Summer's too hot, it's irregular. I wanna get this rocket off the ground, baby. You're so beautiful, it's hard to behave. I can't start this fire without your flame. And I know you feel the same. Come on, take that shit off. Summer's too hot, not to fuck it up. It's the mood right, it's wet enough. It's a level up, let me hit it up. Just a few times. Summer's too hot, got the double light. Shot it too far, with the bubble butt. Yeah, we should both slide on the regular. Summer's too hot, it's irregular. We're too hot. Can I talk to you, girl?
On 2 crutches, seen more plaques than 2 brushes. Until I'm at the pearly white gates, I gotta move something, do something. All meetings happen in person, so they can't prove nothing. Known her 8 years and still fuck her like a new husband. Trying to run a country like Putin one day, but who's rushing? Who's bluffing? For real, who you hugging? Who you wanna be loving? I play 48 minutes on a torn meniscus. Who's subbing? El Chico Luxury. Wanna see my niggas ball so bad, I started up a league.